Hello there, 585ers. This is our video that will preview our upcoming class on Monday. This is Class 8, and we were in Module 4. My goodness, everything is just perking along. We are ready to start looking at an echo of our Stratosphere book, something that Dr. Fullen talks about, irresistibly engaging. And we're going to be making irresistibly engaging lessons using all kinds of screencasting and other interactive lesson tools. But I want to make sure, before we move into this, that you understand a couple of things about your YouTube and your wiki spaces. Let's start with YouTube. One of the things that we need to do on anything that we are using that's out there on the web that can be discovered through a search engine is you want to make sure that we have our tags set up so that people can find us. It's just that simple. So let's look how you do that in YouTube. First of all, you get to your channel. Here I am. And I'm going to go over here to where my little face is. And I'm going to click on Settings. So you go to your channel, find your little face in the upper right, and click on Settings, which is the little gear icon. Once you have this showing up, you're going to click on View Additional Features. And finally, I know it's a lot of clicking, finally we go to Advanced. And where it says Channel Keywords, this is where you want to land. Now, so what's a tag? What's a keyword? Same thing, first of all. But tags and keywords are all about metadata, and metadata is data about data. And so what you're trying to do here is to make yourself discoverable. Now, don't hesitate to do this. I know you're probably sitting there going, well, I don't want anybody to find my channel. Just put a few tags in here to get it going. It might be the name of your channel. Hey, how about that? It might be the school that your channel is located in. It might be the subject matter that you're teaching from. My channel has quite a lot of stuff in it. So I could start with something like Parkland's, University of Louisville. Every time I put in a channel topic, I hit the comma. By the way, it doesn't have to be all caps. I just turned the caps off. Doesn't care. I could put Louisville. So what you're doing is you're trying to put in as many topics as you can that would help people locate your channel. It's just that easy. Okay, let me show it to you again. So let's start with Louisville, comma, sorry about that, Parkland's, comma, University of Louisville, comma, and just keep working your way through this, adding as many as you can. Let's see, instructional technology, comma. That's all there is to it. Okay, it's very simple, but it's also the way that you improve what's called your CISO, which is Search Engine Search Optimization, also known as SEO. And then, of course, you come down here and you save it. That's it. So, let's do it one more time. I go to my channel, and I click on the little gear. From the little gear, I come over here to View Additional Features. And from here, I go to Advanced. And there I am. Okay? And this is where I can go back and add more words here. I don't have to, have the ones that are here. All right, how do you do that in Wikispaces? Well, here's a Wikispace that I use a lot. And it is very full of stuff. If you look down the side here of all the pages that are in this Wikispace. And so if I want to turn on the ability for people to find us, which, by the way, what I've done, I'm kind of cheating here. I wiped all my search terms out so that I could show you this, because the original search terms that were in here, the original tags, were just so many. So I'll show you. Right here where there's these three little dots. Now you have to be logged into the channel, or excuse me, you have to be logged into your Wikispace for this to work. And then you'll see three little dots right here. Click on them, and there it is, tags. You click on tag and you click on edit. And now you do the same exact same thing. And I can go nuts with this one because this is, goodness gracious, it is full of so much stuff. And of course I'll have to put this all back. Actually, what I will do is I'll just go in and I'll go back to a previous incarnation of the Wikispace, and it'll bring it all back. Which is something you can do, by the way. If your Wikispace gets totally messed up and you're like, oh my God, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? You can actually roll the time back to the Wikispace where everything is nice and clean, nothing's been messed up. But you get the idea here, and then you save. Okay? That's all there is to it on a Wikispace. Last time, just real fast. You go to your channel, find your little face or just the picture up there in the upper right. Click on Settings. Come down here to where it says View Additional Features. And then click on where it says Advanced. And now you're here. And now you can start adding your tags. We will do that in class, but what I really want to is to get to this. This is all about, we have to talk about copyright, fair use. This is how you are protected when you want to use things. And I give you lots and lots of resources here to find pictures that you want to use. We're going to talk about VoiceThread. We're going to talk about screencasting. We're going to talk about digital storytelling and interactive YouTube videos. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. There is so much to share with you. So, I will see you on Monday, and we will have ourselves a ball moving into the next phase of our class.